Hello everyone, welcome to this series of mathematics lessons. This is a continuation of the previous lecture. In this presentation, we will study about more on equations. Now let us take a look at example 6. Solve 12p minus 5 is equal to 25. We need to solve for the value of p. Note that adding 5 to both sides is the same as changing side of minus 5. So basically this is our original equation. 12p minus 5 is equal to 25. We can write this as 12p is equal to 25 plus 5. We took this value minus 5 and placed it in right hand side and we changed its sign. When we are moving a number with sign from LHS to RHS, the sign gets changed. Similarly, when we are moving a value from RHS to LHS, its sign gets changed on LHS. Changing side is called transposing. Note that while transposing a number, we change its sign. We can note that minus 5 is on LHS. Once this minus 5 came to RHS, its sign got changed to plus 5. Transposing is a simple method of adding or subtracting, dividing, multiplying numbers on both sides. We can write this equation as 12p minus 5 plus 5 on LHS and plus 5 on RHS. Plus 5 and minus 5 gets cancelled. On left hand side we are remaining with 12p is equal to 25 plus 5, which is equal to 30. 12p is equal to 30. Dividing both sides by 12. Now let us take this equation and we will divide both sides of the equation by 12. 12p divided by 12 on LHS and 30 divided by 12 on RHS. 12 ones and 12 ones. On LHS we are remaining with p. On RHS we are remaining with 30 divided by 12. So we can write this as 2 6 times, 2 15 times, 3 2 times and 3 5 times, 5 by 2. So p is equal to 5 by 2. We got the value of p. Now let us verify this by plugging this value. Now let us plug the value of p to the original equation. 12 into 5 by 2 minus 5. 2 ones, 2 6 times. 6 times 5 is equal to 30. 30 minus 5 is equal to 25. So this is equal to 25 on LHS, which is equal to 25 on RHS. We solved for value of p. The value of p is 5 by 2. From solution to equation. Previously we took successive steps that one takes to solve an equation. Previously we are finding the value of a variable from equation to solution. Now let us reverse the path by taking solution and forming an equation. So this is our solution, x is equal to 5. We already know, or we are creating x is equal to 5. So let us assume this is our solution. Then we will multiply 4 on both sides of the equation. So 4 times x on LHS and 5 times 4 on RHS. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. 4x is equal to 20. Now let us subtract 3 on both sides of the equation. 4x minus 3 on LHS, 20 minus 3 on RHS. On left hand side there is 4x minus 3. On right hand side there is 20 minus 3, which is equal to 17. 4x minus 3 is equal to 17. This is a formed equation. We started from the solution and we arrived to an equation. This is the final equation. Now let us solve this equation. 4x minus 3 is equal to 7. Now let us add 3 on both sides of the equation. 4x minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 17 plus 3. Plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 17 plus 3, that is equal to 20. Now let us divide 4 on both sides of the equation. 4x divided by 4 equal to 20 divided by 4. 20 divided by 4 and 4x divided by 4. 4 ones, 4 ones, 4 ones, 4, 5 times. X is equal to 5. This is exactly equal to the initial solution from where we started. Applications of simple equations to practical situations. The sum of 3 times a number and 12 is equal to 32. We don't know what a number is. Now let us denote that by a variable called x. 3 times a number, that is equal to 3 times x. Now let us start from again the sum of 3 times a number. So this is a sum of 2 numbers. The first number is 3x and the second number is 11. The sum of 3 times a number and 11 is equal to 32. We need to solve for the value of x. We need to find out the value of x. This is the equation. To solve this equation, we transpose 11 to RHS. We will bring 11 from LHS to RHS. So the value becomes 3x is equal to 32 minus 11, not plus 11, because we are transposing from LHS to RHS. We are changing the side of a number. So the sign changes. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. 32 minus 11. 32 minus 11 is equal to 21. Now let us divide 3 on both sides of the equation. 3x divided by 3 and 21 divided by 3. 3 ones, 3 ones, 3 1 time, 3 7 time. The value of x is equal to 7. 3 ones, 3 7 times. The value of x is equal to 7. Now let us plug this value into the equation. X is equal to 7. 3 times x is equal to 21 plus 11. 21 plus 11 is equal to 32. LHS is equal to RHS. The content of this recording is borrowed from Karnataka Textbook Society, Bangalore under Fair Usage Policy. This video is presented by Avvari Technologies. Please do hit subscribe button to get more content. Thank you.